Sonsbeek Art Exhibition. It mainly took place in the beautiful city of Arnhem, and it remained for about 2 months, that is July and August 2021. It was indeed a festival and treat to watch. More than 250 contributions of around 40 artists were exhibited at 13 different locations. I, along with many other people, worked as volunteers for the Sonsbeek exhibition, and it was a wonderful experience interacting with the people and telling them about artworks. I have a compilation of my volunteer colleagues about their experience with the Sonsbeek exhibition. Let's watch. Hello guys, I am here with Helene, and she is a coordinator at Sonsbeek Art Exhibition. So we would like to know that how her experience is going on with the exhibition. Yes, Helene.
Hi, welcome. Thank you. The experience is going good so far. We're learning a lot, and I am happy to say that I am so proud of all the volunteers who are working with us in all the diversity of the volunteers. Some of us who have been with the organization since 28, and some of them are being new to being a volunteer, new to the city, and we are learning. I am learning my hometown in a new way through their eyes, basically.
So, thank you, Ellen.
Thank you.
Being part of this exhibition, Sonsbeek 2024, is an honor for me because I had the chance to support the volunteers, give information and interact with many of the visitors, and also support the organization to many problems that appeared later in this huge exhibition in all the city of Arnhem.
Hi, this is Faizan. Ik ben Faizan. So I'm the volunteering for Sonsbeek. So it's been my experience to be here. It's been 1 month. I've been here working as a volunteer. So I'm enjoying a lot of still. Yeah, it's been a nice experience. So yeah, that's it.
Well, it was quite nice. Sometimes a bit chaotic, but the people the visitors that came by were quite nice to talk to, the small talk, but also talking about the art pieces themselves, because in general you don't know too much about them either, right? So it's nice to know others' interpretation of it, and I guess just the people.
As a volunteer, it was a very nice experience, as we had to interact with the people from different cultures. They spoke different languages, and especially we went to introduce about the different pieces of art from different countries, the artists to the Dutch people. So that was a very nice experience.
What I like about Sonsbeek is the art, of course, that the city Arnhem can organize this is fantastic. Wat ik zo leuk vind aan Sonsbeek is dat je met kunst bezig bent, dat je ziet dat de stad Arnhem dat kan organiseren en zo'n internationaal gebeuren, dat vind ik echt geweldig. En je bent ook met heel veel mensen bezig, je doet het samen.
Sonsbeek has been a wonderful experience. The beautiful artworks that we got to share with the people around us. But in my view, the best experience was the fact that I got to share this with all the volunteers. We had people from all walks of life, Arnhemmers who've been living here their whole lives, but also people from the AZC who were just new to the Netherlands, getting to know Arnhem. I got to meet them, we got to talk about their backgrounds, we got to talk about the art together and share it, and everybody's been open and wanting to share their experience, but also their views on art, and that has been the best experience of Sonsbeek.
Sonsbeek exhibition, the art, the festival that is happening in the whole city. Well, I'm a big enthusiastic of art reaching many people at the same time, so for me it's a great opportunity to exercise that in a way. It's good for the whole population, or for us as people that live in the city and enjoy our time, to feel free to go in the parks and the public places and just enjoy art.
My personal experience for the arts exhibition by Sonsbeek was a really good one because I was able to see many art displayed. The hospitality of the places I walked was very nice, especially the home, and I would like to visit it another time when there is no art exhibition.
It was very nice experience to work like a volunteer in the project Sonsbeek 2024. For me, like for a Russian person who came to Netherlands, it was the new world of modern Netherlands art, and I liked the way how people, not only young people, are interested in modern art. Old people are also asking some things when I was communicating with them. They sometimes don't understand modern art, but they're always interested in it. It was very nice.
Hi, my name is Navid Murtaza and I'm the part of Sonsbeek project, and I really enjoyed that project actually. I must say it was gorgeous. It was a very good experience over there because we got a platform over there. We communicated with the different people, with the community, with a different community over there, and I explored actually a lot, and I really enjoyed that project.
Most people are sometimes a little bit unsure about the meaning of the artwork, but to me it was nice to give them some explanation. I'm not aware of all the information, but I remember that people are grateful if you tell them something, if you make contact with them and so on. And that's what I like the most, contact with people, talking to them, exchanging information and so on.
It's good, I like it. I love being a volunteer also. And it's not an easy exhibition, but it's good to think about the works you see and experience.
Yeah, it's very nice, very cool. You see a lot of new people, also a lot of people from Arnhem also. And yesterday I also met a girl from Groningen, it's a little bit far away, and also some people from Zealand, so it's also far away. So it's very nice to see there's more people also from far away coming to this expedition. Yeah, I really like the artworks. It's very nice to talk about the artworks to the people, and especially also show around the city center and everything what's to do in Arnhem. So also people want to know more about Arnhem and also about the artworks.
Well, there are some things that I didn't manage well because information was not very much, and you have to look to search for your own information. I think the lunches are not very good because the volunteers work a whole day, and I think that could be better. People are very nice. So
something good.
The volunteers, yes, they work very hard. This, the people I have contact with, they are very great.
My favorite art piece is the beer crate in the Zeppendal Park.
My favorite piece of art would be Lore Provost, the art installation of De Groen.
My favorite piece of art is the Willem de Rooij's work in showroom Arnhem, because it shows different cultures from different countries and dates you back to the history. So I love that piece the most.
Ik heb ook een poos bij Raumlabor gestaan in de Vijver. Dat vond ik een geweldig gebouw, geweldig drijvend gebeuren, prachtige kleuren. Iedereen werd daar ook reuze enthousiast van, hele gezinnen die daar lekker gingen picknicken op de vlotjes.
My favorite piece of art is Lore Provost melting into water. It's located in Collectie De Groen, and it's one of my favorites because it's an interactive one, and visitors can bring their own feelings and experiences.
My favorite was or is the art by Lore Provost, which was really scary but beautiful at the same time.
my favorite piece of art is the barn at the Buitenplaats.
Well, I just was in the hangar here, and that's what I like the most. It's a very not so many people most of the time, and it's a very fantastic view when you come from alongside and you see on the background, you see the painting, the feather and so on.
My favorite piece of art, but that's more because I meet the artist. That was at the Koningsweg, at the hangar, and that's from Sunep. Yeah, Sunep is a German artist. And she has the big feather, and you need to walk to the hangar.
And I like this showroom very much because of paintings, and I like very much Buitenplaats.
Okay, good.
Because it's a place outside Arnhem, but it is a special place, and the art pieces are really good over there.
I do not really have a favorite, but I love the combination of work and location. There are very special occasions and the work fits in it, like in the Waalse Kerk and in showroom.
One place was more attracted to me. It was a White Village.
Actually, I liked a lot of art pieces in this exhibition, but maybe the Parliament of Hosts is my favorite because I like how the light works in this composition, and the place for this art piece was perfect.
You're gonna cut it, right?
I'll do that.
Ah.
It's okay. I tried a bit louder. Yes, what was your experience as a volunteer with the Sonsbeek exhibition?
In general, it was quite nice. Sometimes a bit chaotic.
Being straight in general was quite nice. It's not looking good. Okay, come on. Okay. Start.
It was very.
It's okay. It's okay. People around in. Ik zoek te lang naar woorden.
Oh, we can cut that.
Too many problems that appeared later in the.
It's okay, but try
louder,
to,
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
You have changed your position, being so enthusiastic.
Yeah, being so enthusiastic.
Yeah. Start again.
My personal experience.
I knew a lot of things. Let's start from the beginning.
It's okay. You can start a new sentence. One is done.
No, I'll start.
Till Russia it is done.
No, I'll start from the beginning.
Okay. Start.
I would say, it was quite nice, but sometimes a bit chaotic.
A bit louder.
A bit louder.
Yeah.
Maybe start to feel.
Alles weten. Het is een heel groot verschil.
Okay, I don't know what you said, but now answer the question that what was your favorite part of a piece of art in the Sonsbeek?
Public places and just enjoy art, mostly. I have to talk louder, right?
It's okay. Okay,
I'm
now.
really bad at
No,
camera. I have no
okay.
training in it.
I am here with Helen, and he is What's your name?
I'm a she.
Speaking English, yeah.
It's okay.